Okay guys, here's another one of our projects. We pulled this down to the frame. We're going through it. We're going right through every little piece, nut and bolt on it. 1986 RM250. So 84 and 85 was one style, 86 and 87 was another style. And then 88 went up and they changed obviously. So this 2-year bike, production year bike. This is all factory Suzuki plastic, which amazingly is somewhat still available. The seat has been covered, but the plastic, and we have the rest of the plastic, we have all the pieces, as all factory Suzuki plastic. And amazing when you could put a bike together with brand new factory OEM plastic. So we got the bike going pretty far along here. We're obviously not done. It's in the process of being put together. It's in the process of being built. We ripped every single thing down, sandblasted the frame, powder coated everything, came back. Same, we sandblast our motors, we paint our motors, we powder coat whatever covers on the motors we can. We put, you know, what we can for what we can find and so on. If the shock doesn't need to be rebuilt, we'll pull it apart and powder coat the spring and so on. We'll rebuild the forks. You know, if the wheels are in nice condition, we kind of leave the wheels alone. We are going to finish up the forks on this one, as in just, we'll just vapor blasting them and that's it. But we basically got this bike sitting on a stand here because we had to put it on the back burner. And, you know, so we go through the handlebars, we powder coat everything. This one has newer style handlebars because we didn't really have anything else on the moment, and we powder coated them. And we also did the same to the pipe. So this is what we were talking about in a couple of our other videos about how we like to go over our exhaust pipes with powder coat. So this is a Pro Circuit pipe that it's pretty dirty here, look at that. Oh yeah. So this is a Pro Circuit pipe that we powder coated black to look factory. So then we took apart the Pro Circuit silencer and I powder coated the back end of the silencer the way they used to look in 1986, put it back together, and we are in the process. So we threw a couple of parts on here just so we don't lose them, and the stickers are wrong because they're white in the background and they should have been clear. So we only put one on and we don't like it. So we're gonna be finding new ones of those or redoing those ourselves. We do make stickers here and we are in the process of trying to add more to that. So yeah, so I ripped it down. We went through, we paint everything, powder coat everything, whatever we can. We replace all the bolts and everything, whatever's available and so on. Like before we're done, we're gonna come back and we're gonna weld this kickstarter and we are gonna fill that in because we aluminum weld all our parts here. And you know, and you got a pretty nice little bike. This thing got thrown on the back burner real quick. Like I said, so we just took a few parts and threw them on the bike real fast just to keep it from getting lost around the shop. Because, okay, I'll take a quick walk in the other room. This is the RM video, but we take a quick walk in the other room and you can see what I'm saying about having parts. So yes, guys. We have pots. There's an 84 RM250 we're doing at the same time, so we have pots. So there's a box of RM plastic right there under the bench and so on. So we have just stuff laying around everywhere. Piles of YZ pots, bikes over here, frames, and you know, piles and piles. So we threw a lot of pots on the bike when I say that, just to keep it all together. But anyway, we got to basically hit up the gas tank, sand that down, smooth it out, clean it up, and then we will have every piece of plastic on this bike brand new seat cover and so on. And we'll clean up a few pieces like I said, the bottom of the fork tubes and so on, and a few other little things, and we will have this bike completed. She's a very nice machine. So if you guys like the older RMs, good machines, good bikes, comfortable bikes, not crazy power, but you know, they hang, they can hang. But yeah, there you go guys, 1986 RM250. Stay tuned for more vintage videos, restores, and survivor videos. McNasty Customz guys, we appreciate it.